name is AJ, 29 years old.
I'm Sabrina and I'm 26 years old.
Nag-meet kami noong 2018 through social media.
Ayun, the friendship started to grow until eventually we decided to date.
We started being together early 2023, so nag-last yun for around...
A year and a few months. Ayun. So nag-break kami because his mom got sick, and of course I felt guilty with the stuff na it's kind of like I felt guilty din kasi he was doing a lot of work for me, and so I wanted him to have his freedom muna. Ayun. And I felt like a burden din sa kanya during those times. Ayun.
I expect this to be fun, and then mag-bond kami ulit, ganun. Enjoy lang.
I just wanted to be fun, you know. Siyempre, before dating, we became best friends. And so, yeah, just wanted it to be fun with him. How do you feel seeing me again?
It give back that happiness. Okay, feeling, di ba sobrang saya lang natin dati?
Yes.
Wala yung problema, ganun. Eh,
Ako naman, happy din. Kasi syempre, before dating, mag-friends tayo, mag-best friends. Same humor tayo. So, sino bang di magiging happy?
what kind of dessert would your ex-partner be and why?
So, ikaw, siguro brownies. Kasi, alam mo naman, favorite ko brownies. Kahit sad ako, happy, ayun, brownies always make my day. And you always find a way to make my day.
Yeah, donut ka na lang, donut.
Oh, bakit donut?
I do not want to lose you.
Taray. Ano pong order nyo?
One
Wala kang
ice mocha
choice,
frappuccino.
Wala kang choice, cotton candy lang binibenta ko.
Feeling ko ngayon yan, magkaka-diabetes na ako. Sobrang dami.
Sombrero. Ito po, may libreng subo din po dito eh.
Sige, paano ba?
What's your favorite thing and least favorite thing about me?
Favorite thing about you is... Sobrang... Kalmado mo lang mag-handle ng mga ways or mga bagay-bagay.
Kalmado pa ako nun. Okay.
Siguro list in yun nga, may differences tayo on how we handle things. And then, may gusto ka na hindi ko nasusunod and may gusto ako na hindi mo nasusunod. Siguro yun lang yung hindi ko gusto.
So may frustration.
Frustration.
Ako, favorite thing about you is you really know how to give yung princess treatment type of treatment. Ano yan? Gising na lang ako, may kape na, may food, hatid sundo, gano'n. And even pag dinner, pag pagod na ako, ikaw nagluluto. Least favorite naman is siguro yun nga, pag may mga bagay ako na gustong gawin or mangyari, minsan dinidelay mo, minsan hindi na agad nagagawa. So yun, sa area na yun, medyo impatient ako. Gusto ko, pag kailangan ng gawin, kailangan ng gawin.
Any other comments?
No comments. What about you?
No.
Okay. Ayun mo na lahat.
Sabi
What's the one thing you never told me during our relationship?
Wala talaga eh. Sobrang open ko sa... Sobrang transparent ko sa lahat.
Ako, one thing I never told you during our relationship, siguro, I feel na ang hindi ko pa nasabi sa'yo masyado is yung how much I appreciate yung mga ginawa mo. Pero it's true. I mean, part din ng why I feel guilty a lot is kasi you did a lot sa relationship and feeling ko hindi ko masyado na-appreciate yon or nasabi sa'yo that much.
Medyo intriga to ah. Do you miss me? If yes, what do you miss about me in particular?
Charas. Of course, I always miss you. Kasi like I said, before dating, we were best friends din. Diba? And ang pinaka-miss ko is yung humor and yung, alam mo yun, when life is too serious, we can always have fun and forget na may mga ganong problems.
Yeah. Actually, yun din yung sasabihin ko sa'yo, yung about sa humor kasi like, we always find something to laugh about. Like, even the smallest things. Kahit yung random Instagram reel lang din, tapos tatawa na natin yun for hours.
What was the real reason you fell out of love or the reason why you broke up with me?
Dun sa breaking point na natin na parang hindi na ako natutuwa sa nangyayari na live-in tayo pero para tayong roomies lang na hindi nagpapansinan. Yun yung ayoko na feeling. Na parang mag-isa na lang ako din. Magkasama tayo pero sarili tayong buhay.
Ayan, dami kasi nangyayari sa life din nun eh. Ako naman, yun, yung mga nasabi ko na sa'yo nun, na I felt guilty and feeling ko big burden ako sa relationship kasi nga, ikaw yung mostly nag-spend in terms of the living situation, tapos nagkasakit pa yung mom mo. So gusto ko parang nandun ka lang muna for your family kasi masyado akong nag-take time sa life mo. Ayun. Charas. Wow! Yeah! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Was there ever a time when you almost cheated on me?
In all honesty, no. Pero I do remember when I was trying to break up with you, sinabi ko yon. And alam ni Pam yun na we talked about it, na sinabi ko sa'yo. Paano kayo maniwala?
Okay.
Hindi kayo maniwala?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Me hindi. Wala
Yeah,
talaga.
I know, hindi. Pero ako, I used it to break up with you. Pero in all honesty, it wasn't the case.
So what's the case?
No, yung time na ayaw mo makapag-break up and ayaw mo umalis doon, di ba? So parang nagbigay na lang ako ng malalim na reason for you to go. Ay, may extra props. Madugay, madaya. Walang extra props.
Oh, tapos na ako.
Hindi naman hard
Oh,
yan.
baka ang tawag mo dyan.
Hard dyan.
Sige, panalo ka na.
Were you happier before or after we broke up?
When we were together kasi parang peaceful lang yung yung utak ko. I mean, ang inatupag lang natin kung paano tayo mabuhay everyday. So, I choose before.
Same naman sa'yo, iba yung happiness na nadadala ng nasa relationship ka, iba din yung single. Pero like, if we're gonna talk about relationships, of course, happier before din talaga. Kasi, ayun nga, parang you found someone na very compatible sa humor mo, ganon. Even knows how to treat you correctly. And hopefully, I was also good sa kanya. Ayun.
Feeling ko talaga mababagok ako dito eh. Pwede ba sabihin ko na lang pag-stop na?
Pahilohin siya.
Nahihilo ako eh. Promise, mahiloy na ako. Nahihilo na ako. Wait lang.
Ay, gago!
Ayoko na. Do you think we would have lasted if we met at a different time?
I would say yes. Kasi like I said, the only reason we broke up kasi yung mga circumstances na meron
Siguro at a later time.
at a later.
Yeah. Yung tipong prepared na lahat. Yun.
What is your favorite memory or treasured memory of us?
Actually, everyday life natin sa sa place natin. Kasi may sarili tayong mundo, tapos yung mundong ginagalawan natin, kumbaga,
nag-enjoy lang tayo.
Ako, same, pero pinaka-favorite ko is yung time na nasa taas tayo nung sa rooftop. Tapos, nag-uusap lang tayo about life. Like, what do we see ourselves in the next 5 years? Ganon. Yung nilalamok na tayo, pero todo kwentuhan pa rin. Ayun.
Would you ever consider getting back together?
Maybe. I cannot say no, I cannot say yes. Kasi we don't know the circumstances in the future. Diba? Pero we're not close to doors.
Yeah, same. Depending on the circumstances in life, if everything will fall into place. Mga ganun nga.